Welcome back, your girl, back with another Amazon product review. And the product that we are going to be reviewing today is a overhead camera mount desk stand. I was looking online for some overhead camera mounts that'll help me with my unboxing and my Amazon reviews and also my cake decorating. So let's go ahead and take a look at this real quick. And when I first took it out the package, here it looks like it's the arms for the overhead camera mount. And I noticed that I tried to pull it apart, but I couldn't. And I realized that the knobs on the end, I don't know if you call it a screw or a tightener, I don't know what it is, but basically they got it tight so that it'll lay flat and not move. But of course, if you turn it and twist it, then it allows the arms to extend. So let's go ahead and do that. And I'm standing all the way back from the table, you guys, because I want you to see exactly how long it is when it's fully extended, which is rather really long, which would be great for the overhead mount, especially if you are trying to work on something that might be really tall. And this here is the clamp that you're going to use to put on the end of the arm and also to the end of your table that you're going to be attaching this overhead camera mount to. The overhead mount is obviously going to go on the end of your table, whatever type of table that you're using. And then, as you can see, there's a hole in the top. And that hole right there is where you're going to put the end of the arm. And what I did was I just unscrewed the clamp just so you guys can see exactly how wide it is. And it has grooves on it, and then the top side has grooves on it as well. And if we put it on the end of the table, I just have it hanging off the end of my table, and you can see there's still a lot of room there. So if you happen to have a really wide end overhang on the side of your table, it'll probably work perfect for you as well. Okay, so I have the end of the pole, and I'm going to stick it through the hole right here. Slides in easily. Then just got to tighten it up. Only took a couple of twists to tighten it up. And lets me move back a little bit so you can see just how tall it is. That is really tall, you guys. Really tall. And there, right there, you can see where you would put your phone, or you would put your camera right there. And so this part right here, it has a hole on the bottom for the screw, or you can use the hole on the side for your screw on your phone. And so I have it on there, and as you can see, you can spin it around. So you can have it facing whatever way you want. Of course, if you're going to be doing your unboxing and you're going to be looking down at the table, you're going to want to have it facing down. And that's exactly how I'm going to have it, especially when I'm decorating my cakes. And as far as the movement, you see it moves pretty easily too. Now, of course, there's the tightener on the side where you can tighten it and position it exactly where you want. Now, just to give you guys an angle, a clip of the angle, see how far up that is? This, of course, will be where my cake stand will be. And see how far up it is? And I like the fact that it's so tall, because when you have a camera above your head or overhead, you don't want your camera to be too close. And even if you zoom it out really far, if it's too close to the product or to the cake or to the object that you're working with or the craft, then it's just going to be, you know, the image is not going to do too good. And if I'm trying to show somebody how to decorate a cake or how to do something with a cake, if it's too close, they can't see everything. And with it being so high up, you can literally see everything, whether you're working on food, whether you're making desserts, whether you're cooking or mixing up ingredients, whether you're working on crafts, or whether you're unboxing or doing a review. So this is the camera looking down, you guys, and I have it on my cake stand, my revolving cake stand. You can see I have my mixer bowl upside down, so you can see it easily moving around. And you have a very good angle of what I would be actually working on. And even if I'm working on a really tall cake, this thing is so high up and it's flexible, so it can move further down, or it can move all the way up to this height right here. And to move it down, of course, all we have to do is loosen up that one screw right there. And then, of course, we would have to loosen up this top screw right here on the side as well. And then, as you can see, it's lower and it's angled over to right there. So you can see it's closer to the object. And if I put my mixer bowl back there, and now you can see just how much closer it is. And if I zoom the camera out, you can really see how much closer it is as well. So it has a great reach. You can either have it over your objects or over your content that you're unboxing or reviewing, have it really far out, or you can have it really close up. So there, you guys, is the overhead camera mount desk stand with a weight bearing of up to 18 pounds. You can put up to 18 pounds on here. It has a 1/4, a 3/8, and a 5/8 screw, 3-section flexible articulating metal arm for DSLR, camera, webcam. You can also put on there a panel light. And it actually says 18-pound bearing, which can hold up to 22.05 pounds. And you guys, let me tell you, this thing is really sturdy. Like right here on the end, it's not moving. I'm shaking it really hard. And you only have to turn the mount, like turn the screw like 2 times to get it super tight. And right here, I'm tapping on the top. It doesn't even like, you can't even see it moving really, and I'm tapping on the top. And to see and read more information about this product, you guys, you can always just click the link below to the Amazon product on Amazon.